What up, world? Welcome to Juveniles Styles. Today we're going to be unboxing the Vivosun full spectrum LED grow light with 120 volt power cord. I want to stop for a big thank you to Vivosun. So thank Vivo. Now I'm about to grow some weed. I'll show Vivosun 420's what I'm about. Sub to see how high I'll go. Vivosun, thank Vivo. Thank you, Vivosun. Vivosun, now I'll grow it. Their light gonna grow the pipe, become a kite. Dynamite out of sight, don't forget to hit the light. Thank you, Vivosun, now we can grow the shit they like. I gotta say thanks for the light, and peace out, have a good night. That's right, peace out and have a good night. And subscribe and don't forget to hit the like. Forget to hit the like, forget to hit the like, forget to hit the like, get to hit the like. One more big thank you for the like. Alright, so let's start off by tearing off the open sticker, of course. Oh, I'm super excited to see what's in here. Well, we know what's in here, but to check it out. So I want to start off by saying thank you to the people over at Vivosun. I really appreciate the opportunity coming and working over here with me. Of course, you know I got to set up a couple plants. So the first thing is, I guess, the manual to use it, the grow light instruction manual. So it obviously has the instructions to set it up and everything, so we'll take a look at that in a few minutes. I'm going to start off by showing you, check this out. It's actually set up in there really nice. The box is like pretty small and packed right in there, but that looks really nice and professional. You can see the power supplier right there, or the power director. So, okay, first off, there's a couple things up in these, it feels like, so we'll open these first and take a look inside. So, here's the 120 volt power cord that it was talking about. And I'm assuming these are the two clips to hang it up. So that one's empty. Alright, there's just some things up in this one too, so we'll take a look up in here as well. So we got the grappling hooks right here. They're really easy to hang up if they're like the Mars Hydro one. They only take a couple seconds. So I'll do that to show you guys. So let's pull the main deal out. Check that out. That looks really nice. So it's a little heavy. It's not too heavy though. It's about, I'd say it's probably only about 5 pounds. It's not that heavy at all. But there's a bit of weight to it, so that looks really nice. It's a really nice professional looking light. Hell yeah. That looks really nice. And it has the dimmer on it too, so you can choose how high you want to turn your lights on. So that looks really nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the hooks and show you how easy it is to do that. So I'll be right back. So the metal parts that you put the grappling hooks on to hang it up, they're super easy to put on. So I figured I can pretty much do it one hand. So I'd show you how easy this part is. They're in right there like that. And I can't get over how nice the power director looks. Looks very professional. Nice and black. So I'll set up the hooks now. So yeah, it's super easy after you put on the two rods or whatever you want to call them. I guess that'd probably be the best name for them. To hang them, the grappling hooks are very simple. You just hook them on like this. and then you wrap the top, this part here, you wrap it around wherever you want it, and you clip it on itself, and then the button on the side of the grappling hooks here, there, I'll show you. You can just push the button and easily slide it up and down wherever you have your plants at. So, and I love my Mars Hydro lights, but I do have to say it's a very, very nice looking light. They both look very nice in their own way. I'm not trying to put down my Mars Hydro light because I never got to use this one to grow yet either, but my Mars Hydro light, as you see, my plants are doing very nice. So I gotta say, this will probably work very good too. I will be trying it out. And oh, what, these? Yeah, I forgot to mention, it came with some grow room sunglasses too, so that's pretty dope. Damn, they look pretty slick too. Don't I look dope as hell? No, I'm just playing, but pretty nice little extra that comes with it, I have to say. So yeah, I'm very appreciative to both companies, and I love them both, so I can't wait to see what happens or what I get out of using each different one and kind of compare them at the end. It's going to be super awesome. So for sure I will be setting this up at a nice area, and I will be coming up with some plant progresses using this as well. I wanted to plug them in to show you. This is the bottom of them. It looks super nice. The bottom of these and the Mars Hydro, they look kind of the same. So I think this is going to grow really good too. And I'm just going to be waiting a little bit to get some seeds from my homie, like I mentioned on my last video. He sent me some autoflowers, so I can't wait to try them out. But besides that, I'm going to be setting this up at some point too, so look forward for a video of me doing that as well. And thank you all for stopping by here at Juvenile Styles. If you're new, thank you for tuning in. If you've been here for a while, still thank you for tuning in. And big appreciative to Vivosun. Y'all have a good night. Hope y'all got some good shit to smoke, and y'all have a good night. So thanks, Vivo. Now I'm about to grow some weed. I'll show Vivosun 420's what I'm about. Sub to see how high I'll go. Vivosun, thanks, Vivo. Vivosun, now I'll grow with their light. Gonna grow the pipe, become a kite. Dynamite out of sight. Don't forget to hit the like. Thanks, Vivosun. Now we can grow the shit they like. And I gotta say thanks for the light. And peace out. Have a good night.